Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do some vlogging, but also I came upstairs because I can't wait any longer. I have the replacement from my MZ Wallace bum bag. So if you want to see what's in this box, stick around. So it is Friday morning and I have about 30 minutes before my daughter comes to pick me up, and then we're gonna pick up my mom and we're going shopping for baby gifts for Drew. Alexander wants to get a few more items, so we're about to take off, but I thought, I can't wait. I have to go up there and open this box because this box has been here all week. So let's go ahead and tear into this, and then I'll show you my outfit of the day. And when I come back, I'll probably do some more videoing, but this video is going to be part unboxing and part baby shower and vlog. Okay, so, all right, so here we are. The receipt, and I open up the box, and here it is in the box. And I actually ordered this from MZ Wallace. Of course, you can get MZ Wallace like in the department stores as well, but I did order this from MZ Wallace. The bag is beautiful. Doesn't it remind you of that collection that Louis Vuitton had with all the clouds that I wanted so bad? Maybe one day I'll get one of those pieces, but I don't even use dust bags, but this one, I absolutely love it. Sometimes I use them when I travel to put like dirty panties and things in there. All right, you guys, so are you ready to see what I exchanged it for? Okay, wait. Let me take the paper off because I want to show it to you in all its glory. It's beautiful. I exchanged it for the pearl one. So I know a lot of you said keep it, a lot of you said send it back. It was about 50-50, you guys, because I asked for help because I really wanted to keep it, and I thought I just don't need 3 black bum bags. Who does? So I thought, you know, I don't have a summery one. Would this not be perfect to wear to the beach? It's that beautiful nylon, and I took a couple of these off, but see how it's wrapped up so nice? And you just pull those off. And the corners are like that as well. Pull that off. It's the very same one that I had, and you guys, it has the most beautiful kind of red glazing right there. Looks like Louis Vuitton, but I love anything cream and white with gold. So you guys, I just couldn't help it. I was like, what, should I get the backpack? But I'm actually gonna have a credit for the other one because I couldn't wait. I sent it back for a credit, but I couldn't wait. And I just went ahead and ordered this. So I'm about to have another credit. I might get the backpack that I was looking for. So it's all stuffed, and of course it has the straps inside of it. And there it is. And it's got that vachetta leather on the inside that says MZ Wallace, New York, with a nice big generous pocket. And this pocket, here's one pocket, here's a big generous pocket, and then there's like 2 little dividers there. You see that? 1, 2, and then one here. So, okay, and every little inch of it is taped up. But of course it doesn't have a back pocket. It would be awesome if it did, but it doesn't. But you guys, this is so pretty. I remember that I missed out on the Gucci bum bag. You guys remember those Gucci bum bags that were just beautiful, and I kept thinking I was going to get one, and then I couldn't find the larger size. I could just find like the smaller one. But anyway, I had FOMO when I went on the website to do an exchange, and I thought, heck, I'm just gonna buy it. So yeah, I'll probably buy the backpack with my credit, but I'm so glad, you guys. And today I'm just wearing all black. A black top and just some black pants. Look how cute. Look how cute. So this is something that I know that I will use a lot. I love winter white. I will use this all year round, but it's especially beautiful for spring and summer. So this is my very first MZ Wallace piece. I'm a fan. Yes, I am. I need like a little makeup bag. You know how we like stuff to match. Well, I'm not really the matchy type, but for some reason, I would like to have a little nylon makeup bag for this. It's beautiful, you guys. Look at that. And it's not just plain white. It kind of has a pearl iridescent look, and I don't know if that's coming across, but look how big and roomy and beautiful. And it just covers up the girls. I mean, it's a nice size bum bag, and you even have the strap that goes around the waist. So yeah, I'd wear it that way too. Anyway, you guys, I wanted to come up here before my daughter came, open this up, show it to you guys, and I'll be back in a little bit. Like I said, we're going shopping. I have tons to do this weekend, so I have to get all actually, last night I was decorating for the baby shower. My daughter comes over and she's like, no, I don't like the way that looks. We're gonna change everything tomorrow. So I'm like, okay. But anyway, guys, so this is my bum bag, my MZ Wallace bum bag. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. And thank you, everybody, for helping me out, because I did listen to all of you. I thought, heck, just get the bum bag in white, because you actually need a white. You can never have too much white and cream in my book. So anyway, you guys, I'll see you guys back in just a bit. All right, guys, so this is my look today. It's just this little black kind of a ruched top that buttons up the front, and just these black kind of flary legged just knit pants, kind of like leggings, but they've got some flare to them. I am wearing my Vans and my Louis Vuitton Azure Speedy, and don't mind the house in the background. We've been trying to decorate, let's just put it that way. But anyway, you guys, wearing my hair down today because it's freshly washed, and this is just my casual going shopping look of the day. Peace. All right, this is what we got today. I already took the groceries in, so more baby stuff. My daughter bought some stuff, more diapers. We have to get all this in the house, wrap up the gifts, and I've been trying to decorate, and yesterday I thought I was getting ahead of the game, and my daughter was like, no, I don't like it that way. So I said, all right then. So she's coming over later, and she's gonna change things around like I knew she would. I don't know why I was thinking I was gonna have the baby shower in on this video, because this video will be out tomorrow and the baby shower is Sunday. Anyway, so I'm just outside. It's such a pretty day, you guys. Look how pretty. Everything's nice and green and lush. Yep. And I took my mom home and we went to visit my sister, and today I know what the deal was. I got confused on what today was because Keith missed work today. Like he didn't go to work, and he never misses work. He's really sick, and a couple days ago he said he felt like he was getting sick, and then yesterday when he came in he didn't feel good, and it just got worse. So anyway, he's in there snoring away. I would go film him, but since he's sick. I'm just sitting out here enjoying a nice beautiful day, a nice beautiful breeze, and then I actually need to go in the house and do a bit of cleaning, and I'm super excited about my MZ Wallace bag, you guys. I just love it. I'm so excited to put my stuff in it. So I'll put my stuff in it and I'll show you what it looks like on. Alright guys, it is midnight and I grabbed my camera because I need to close out this video. My daughter has been here and we've been decorating. We're not finished. We're gonna do a big balloon arch, and we brought in a couple extra tables. We did some wrapping. So some of these gifts are from my sister, my aunt. That's from me and Keith. And that's from my daughter. I think my daughter, she has like 4 or 5 gifts. And then that's from my mom. So we put this cloth across here because we're going to put the gifts here once she opens them. Because I'm really paranoid about this Restoration Hardware table. I don't want anybody putting their drinks on it. So we covered it. So anyway, there's the chair where Autumn's going to sit. And it's a little jungle theme. So Ben, actually, my son-in-law, made this. And we hung this backdrop. And we're going to do like a big balloon arch. So we've got to make that tomorrow. We're going to have to use the air compressor. And so it's going to be really pretty. Everything's kind of messy right now. But anyway, there's like the centerpiece my daughter fixed. With all the little animals. And we hung this from the balcony. It's a boy with the little monkeys. Isn't that not sweet? And then she has these 2 giant giraffes. And I have no idea what she's going to do with them. And I'll show you something. There's the giraffes. So this is just like, let me turn the light on. When you come in the door, this is here, we put it on my easel, on one of my easels. So it's just pictures of Matthew and Autumn when they were little, and people can look at them. There's my baby when he was or my son when he was a baby, and there's Autumn. So we put them side by side. And there's little Matthew when he was a baby. So just, I'm getting a glare. Let me turn that light off and see if it's better. Anyway, just some baby pictures that I put together. And I need to put a few more. Look how sweet. They were both so cute. This is going to be a beautiful baby. I thought that would be a really fun thing to do for the shower. And then in here, I just have a tablecloth and a couple little, I'm sure Alexandra's going to change that. She's changed everything. But she is really good at decorating. I'm just wearing my robe, you guys. And so we're also having a diaper raffle. So when you come in, if you bring diapers, then you put your little card in here to win a prize. So I do have to run out to the store tomorrow to get a few things, and the prize is one of them. So you guys don't mind the way I look. Okay, so in the kitchen, this is going to be where the food is. So she kind of set this up. We're going to put more greeneries, and I think she's going to put lights around it. So I'm getting it catered. And I think Alexandra's going to make some stuff, and I'm going to make a few things. And so it's just kind of a mess in here, you guys, right now, because we're still decorating. But really tomorrow the big thing is the arch. And then we brought this extra table in. So yeah, I think I'm going to put some lights in this big tree. You guys, we have had, we've had this giant ficus tree for 20 years. I told Alexandra today, and I know I need to prune it. Look at it. It wants to bend over. I don't know why it won't go up to the light there. But anyway, we've had this tree longer than we've had Evan. Yeah, so, and then she decorated a little there. But I think she has some more like ferns and things at her house that she's going to bring over. And I think it's going to be a really nice shower. I don't really think that it has sunk in yet that my youngest son is going to have a baby. He's 32, you guys. Yeah, I don't think it, good Lord. Okay, I don't think it's really sunk in yet. I'm not kidding. I told Alexandra, it still just feels like it's not. Okay, guys, so I never did put my things in my MZ Wallace bum bag. I love it. I'm going to do that, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on. And I'll have like an extra video next week because I will film a lot of the baby shower, and I'll be happy to share that with you guys. It's been a day, and Keith is sick, as I told you earlier, and now I'm getting sick. I feel better than I did earlier because when we were decorating, I was just like, I felt like I had a fever, and I went and checked, and I didn't, but I was just burning up. So, oh Lord, I just hope that I don't get sick or sicker before Sunday. So, because we have to have this baby shower, and the baby will be here in about 8 weeks. And we feel like he might come sooner, I don't know. And you guys, you know how I told you I'm gonna do Yota talks? And I am. I have a lot to say about Harry and Meghan. I cannot wait for the coronation, you guys. He is gonna look like the cat that swallowed the canary. And she's just horrible. Stay away, okay? I'm pretty sure the British people do not want you in their country. And it's just terrible, you guys. Oh, but I'll have a whole lot more to say about it on another day. But I can't believe the coronation's coming up. I've been a royal watcher for years, since way before Harry was born. And you guys, I used to love him. But he's just not that bright, is he? It's awful. It's absolutely awful what this woman has done to the royal family. Yeah. So anyway, you guys, this is also random, right? But it's midnight. There you go. I'll probably do some vlogging tomorrow leading up to the baby shower. So I'll probably do that. So anyway, you guys, I love you all so much. And let me know what you think about my MZ Wallace bum bag in the beautiful pearl color. It's white, it kind of has an iridescent look to it. I'm obsessed, I love it. I will see you guys again in a few days.